Hello everyone, welcome back to Creativity Stuffs, and today we are going to make something amazing. So this is the thing that magically appeared in my hand, and it's a bird, and well, it can also fly. Oh no. And this is just the modification of that bird plane. So it can also fly, and there is one more fantastic feature. First thing is it has a beak, it has a tail, it is a parrot, and it can also fold its wings. Isn't it cool? So you just need to adjust sometimes to fold its wings back. And what do you think about it? You can write in the comments. See, it has folded its wings. And it just looks like a parrot. And well, this is a kirigami parrot. So what kirigami means? So kirigami is an art similar to origami, but it needs scissors. So this is a kirigami parrot made from a blue paper and a red paper. So made from a blue paper and a red paper. And what is this? This is the cut paper from which this is made. So what you need to have is a 6-inch square of blue and a 6-inch square of green. So now, if you have that, you can easily make this bird. And if you don't have, you can see the featured video in our channel. And if you aren't subscribed, the first video you will see will be this. So soon I am going to upload a channel trailer, and then you can also see that. So this is the parrot, and it will fly away if I don't start the video. So let's get started. Wait, what does my parrot want? What? It opens its wings? No, not again. The same thing happened with my bat, and he flew away. So I'm going to hold it tight. Oh no! Oh no! No, not again. So time to make another one. Let's make another one. So that parrot is going to get a twin now. Okay, so now for this kirigami model, what we need to do is first we need to fold it in half. And as I said before, that kirigami is a mix of this scissor and origami. So that is this cool origami parrot, and it's not very hard. Well, it's between beginners and intermediate. So I recommend this video for beginners. Even at intermediate level, this video is good. And even at complex level, you can fold it. So this is both of these. So what we need to do now is, so like this, the airplane fold. do the same thing from here. So now we have the airplane fold completed, and now we are going to fold from this point to this point like this down. So there will be a crease from this point to this point, and we need to fold this point to this point. So like this we need to fold it down. Make sure to be very exact and crease very sharply. Otherwise there will be chances that your model might be failed. And this unique model has a very unique feature. So what happens is, each model is different in a way. So I will tell you how. Remember the parrot I showed in the intro? This will be the exact same, because both of those are same. How come? Yes, and share in the comments. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to fold this up approximately some here, and after it is roughly done, you need to just turn it over and make sure that these creases align. So this crease and this crease must align, and then you can just press over here and then turn over, and then you can just crease it sharply. So after it is done, what you need to do is, you need to fold this edge to this edge. And how? You need to first turn it over and then fold this edge to this edge, like this. This. And once it is done like this, now comes the scissor part. What we are going to do is, now we need to cut it in the pattern of a wing. So now just do as I do. And so we are going to make a cut like this. So like this, and you need to keep this part aside. So now we have the body of the bird. Now what's remaining is the tail. So tail also the same way, you need to fold it like this and make cuts. So if you want a tutorial on how to make this tail, I will show it now. So this is the paper for the tail, and now we need to just fold it in half. And we need to make cuts on it. So now I am zooming in so you can see the fine cuts. And now just do as I do. Teeny tiny long cut from here. And after the cut, like this, you have to just turn the scissors without damaging the previous cut, and then slowly you need to just make another long cut over it. And then just do as I do. So we are making a parrot tail, so it should look kind of like a macaw. Like this, long cut, shorter feather, then long cut, and then a little bit shorter feather. And then we need to make a super duper ultimate long cut. So we need to start cutting from here, and we need to make kind of a cone. So we need to make a cone like this, and as long as possible you need to make the tail. So I have the tail over here. So now what you can do is you can just open it, and here's the tail. And you can also use this to amaze your friends like this. You can just show this amazing cut to your friends. So if you are on a mobile phone, you can just take a screenshot of it, or if you are folding the model, you can just take a photo of it and send it. So now comes the next step. So what we are going to do is, you see it is like an A, so it is a mountain fold, and so we need to, so what is this? It was folded in half before. So what, this is the face, so this opens, and after opening you just need to turn it over, and then you just need to fold it down a little bit. Like this. So this is the thing. And now why did I do this? You will now. So we are going to attach the tail. So what we are going to do is, this is the bird's body. We just need to fold it up, and these are the two flaps that we folded down before. Just need to take this and put it inside, equally inside both of the flaps, like this. And then you need to close this, looking sort of like a bird. And now you just need to close it. So now this is looking like an actual bird. Now you need to fold both of the wings down, but don't fold the tail. So you need to fold, so that only the wings fold down and nothing happens to the tail. So that's what gives the parrot effect. And now match the other wing. Now there are a series of tricky steps, and I just need to move the camera down so that you can see them and zoom in a little bit. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make some like a hole over here. So like a hole we are going to make it over here like this, and now we are going to make it sharp. And so try that on the other side. When you make the hole, it is perfectly symmetrical. So like this, you need to make the holes. And now after this is done, now we need to make a fold over here. So it starts over here and ends over here somewhere. So what you need to do is you need to start pinching. And you need to just make a fold like this. Sort of looking like a complex fold, right? So now that we have completed these two folds, so we need to make a line between this and this point. So pinch, pinch, pinch. And so now we have that line. And then from this point to over here. And do the same thing on the other side. So from this point to here. And so it will look sort of like this. And so now what you need to do is, so this, all the folds are done on this and folds are remaining. So what you need to do to make these two folds sharp, you need to just pinch them down and then fold the wings down. So it will look kind of like this. And then you can adjust the symmetry. And so unfold and now do the same folds like this over here. So now we are starting from here. So this is the fold done, and now we need to fold it to somewhere over here like this. And now we need to fold from this point to this point. Yes. So now all the folds are done. So now what we need to do is we need to put all this together. So to put all this together, what we need to do is And now what you need to do is, after pinching, you need to fold both of those front. So like this. And now we need to fold it behind. So like this. So now it's looking like a bird. And do the same thing over here. Like this, and we just need to make the tail proper. And now you just need to reverse fold and make a parrot beak. Like this. So we have the beak done. And now the whole thing is done for us. And so now then you just can add some minor details to it. It will look very nice if you do so. And this is our parrot in the sitting position. And now I am going to show how it flies. So here I am with my camera. And so now we are going to see how does it fly. So first I am going to show how to unfold the wings. So what you need to do is you need to grab this part of the bird and just open those wings. And then just make it as flat as possible. And then like this. And now we are going to see the flying plane. Whee. Well, it didn't fly this time. So what to do for this? You just need to press the bumps, one of the bumps. So if you press one of the bumps, it will stay over there. And then you just need to pull the wings a little up, like this. So now you can see how it flies. Well, it wasn't good even this time. So there is even also a solution for that. You just need to make it more aerodynamic by pushing forward the beak, and then you just need to remove the tiny bumps, and then you just need to make the tail a little broad. So now we are here with the aeroplane, wings up and fly. So now it was really well, right? So thanks for watching. So be sure to share this video, like this video if you like the cool model, and you can also comment that how did you like it and what happened to it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, because one subscriber is equals to one motivation for our channel. So please subscribe. So that's it for now. Bye bye. This parrot can talk. Hello.
Hello.
It's replying. Okay. What do you want for lunch?
Peanuts.
Oh, peanuts. Okay. I think it's hungry. So